Hey peeps, food, Thursday food, wake up. Arr! Think I shade? Yeah, I shade. How about it? Thursday food, okay? Starving vets in the freezing cold with hardly any equipment. And old vets with equipment that malfunctions. Defective equipment for all the vets. You know what I mean. Ooh, 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 ooh. Food! Pay attention! I'll be a quiz later. Ready? Begin. And some mashed potatoes. And some mashed potato. Rice. Rice. Elbow macaroni. Macaroni, macaroni. More macaroni. Viva Maria. Maria, Maria. Kidney beans. Kidney beans. More kidney beans. Black eyed pea. Black eyed pea. A little bit of brown sugar. Maybe some honey, maple syrup. If I have molasses. Good stuff. More black eyed pea. Fruit cocktail. Fruit mix. Fruit cocktail. Pickles. Looks like they were frozen. I don't know why. But or they deliver them in the back of a truck or something. I don't know. Anyway, pickles. Chicken gizzard. Chicken livers. I might make these quick, man. I like these things. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. Yay, yay. Cottage cheese. More cottage cheese. Eggs. Eggs. More eggs. Yogurt. Yogurt. Yay, big one, the big one. Big one, big one. I got here a whole chicken. Pork, chicken! Chicken! Got a ground turkey. I don't really care for this, but whatever. Turkey. What do you got here? Breakfast cereal. Breakfast cereal. Breakfast bread. It's got raisins in it. Raisins. Raisin breakfast bread. More raisin breakfast bread. Raisins. Garlic bread. Garlic bread. This is pretty good with a little bit of real butter. Good stuff. A little butter on there. Oh, man. Living in heaven. Some regular rolls. Rolls. All natural. I don't know what all natural is. Anyway. Dessert! Apple pie! Apple pie! Oh, yummy. Apple crisp. Pie, whatever. Apple crisp. Apple crisp. Finally! Muffins! Muffins. There's this thing here. Oh, muffins. Upside down. To say it is. Bread muffins! Yummy! Okay, that's all I got. We got here, outfit of the day, POWMI hat, screwball glasses, I shaved, got the unofficial, official whistle, N1 QOV whistle, camouflage t-shirt with another t-shirt, the layered look, man, the layered look, see, and stretchy pants, socks, warm socks, man. Warm socks that I walk outside with. Okay, that's all I have. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. At the 10 o'clock net coming up. Oh, there's Linda. Oh, man. So we'll do a couple of peekaboo. And bye. And a bye. And a bye. And a peace. Bye. Oh, man, I am. How you turn this thing off? Over here. Hit this, and then you hit this. This first. Stop record, and then stop broadcast. Bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye.